All right, the moment we've been waiting for, everybody. Let's give a huge round of applause for Yuri to be portrayed by Rabbit. Guys, diba? Bumagay talaga sa kanya, ibang nasa yung tingkat, diba? We love that. So far, Robin, alam ko, nakapala na kayo sa pag-shoot. What can you tell us about this? Could you lift up the curtain? Ano masasabi mo so far sa karanasan mo?
Hanggang ngayon po, hindi pa rin po ako makapaniwala na ako yung muna ko si Yuri. Pero gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga tumanggap sa akin. Kina Direk, and sa Viva, kina Jason. Maraming salamat po dahil pinagkatiwala niyo sa akin itong role na ito. Sobrang nag-enjoy po kami akong ginagawa namin itong series na.
David, pwede mag-lambing? Pwede mag-request? Pwede mag-upload pa kayo ng mga BTS nyo? Yung mga behind the scenes photos nyo? Gusto natin yan, we get and gather a lot more insight about what goes on, diba? Pwede na rin yung samahan nyo. Okay, thank you, Rabbit. We appreciate you. Okay, so Rabbit. Actually, dito lang si Rabbit. Yeah. But a little backwards, please, because we're gonna make room for yet another star. Isa na naman pong nagdidingding na between Mutya ng Section E. Of course, dapat natin pakaabangan streaming officially on Viva 1 sa ikatlo ng Enero. Opo, ngayon naman tawagin na natin ang palaban at maaasahang Mutya. Sino nga ba ito? Isang Mutya with a mind of her own. Right true to the actual title itself. Siya nga ang yayanig ng magulong mundo ng Section E. In other words, she truly is gonna shake things up in more ways than one. Let's welcome JJ, brought to life by none other than Ashton Olvida! Photo op naman din. Photo op muna tayo. Okay, you all taking your photos para nakakuha niyo naman na. Now it's time to ask Ashton. Ashton, kamusta yung pakikipag-bonding mo dun sa cast so far? Alam natin na start na kayo, nagsimula na kayo with filming. So how's it been? What's the camaraderie and chemistry been like?
Actually, kahit ako nagulat kasi hindi ko din, since ako yung nag-isa babae, hindi ko in-expect na makaka-close ko sila kaagad. And ayun, sobrang comfortable ko sa kanila. Kahit sinasabi ko sa kanila, alam mo, ang galing nung pala tayo matagal na magkakakilala. Nakakakuha.
Hindi, di ba? Instant?
Oo, instant connection.
Oh, they hit it right off. We love that. Lapat na lapat. Lapat na lapat ang samahan. Agree ba? Agree? Agree naman?
Ay, hindi ka na-agree?
Agree naman. Mukha naman sa kaya ng lahat. So thank you once again, Ashton Olvida, everybody. Thank you, Ashton. Of course, brace yourselves. Kasi nandito na ang president ng Section E. Give it up for Mr. Suyet, the infamous troublemaker, the ultimate hari ng mga ulubong. Meet Kiefer himself to be played by the one and only Mr. Andres Muda! Please, Mr. Kiefer, everybody, you may take your photos now. While he's still here, come on. It's not every day we have them all under the same roof. Nasa isang bubong. Daming fans. We love seeing that. Okay, so hot off the heels and the success of the Hearst family at mga samot-sari mong projects, ang dami mong pinagkagagawa, Andres. So impressive. How is this different from your other roles?
Unang-una guys, gusto ko lang sabihin, maraming salamat sa lahat for being here today guys, the fans and the reporters. Thank you for supporting, it means a lot. And this role talaga is a lot different from the mga projects that I've done. I mean, the project was the Hearst family, but it's really a learning experience and I really truly enjoy it.
Thank you. Eloquently put. Thank you so much. How about, eto, I have a bunch of bright ideas. I'm brimming with bright ideas. How about we have these two paired up together here para picturean? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Dami mga bright ideas. Okay. Sige, hold. Picture ka na. Hey, alright! There he is. Nahanap din natin siya eh. Let me just step out of the way actually. Yan, para makita natin sila better. Ayoko naman pakialam. Doon naman, sa bahaging yan, doon naman yan. Para kuha, babad, all angles. Other side? O, diba? Sa center naman? Gitna po? Sa ating cast?